What's going on? All right, this is gonna be a quick one today. Gotta fix a Sony TV. I got this off of Facebook Marketplace for 25 bucks, and it actually came with an Apple TV device as well, but I wasn't really interested in that. So it's a 52-inch Sony. It's model 50 KDL 52V4100. And the problem it was having, I don't know if you can tell here, but the picture is really washed out, and like the blacks are really like crushing, and everything just looks really bad. I don't know if I got another channel here we can see it pixelates really heavy, and the picture looks like crap. So I already removed the back cover here, and just so you know, everywhere there's arrows basically, here is where you need to remove screws. So this one is way down here. There was a couple hidden screws here and here that I kind of missed at first. So, but I don't know, there's about 20 screws you have to remove. And then, so I have sound on it. Well, we have power obviously, so it turns on, so we know it's not the main power supply board. And we know it's probably not this main, I think, control panel, because all the inputs, because we do have a picture. So after doing some searching online, I found it's probably the T-Con board, and it's probably got a bad chip on here somewhere. So I did see some models of Sony that you could replace the chips, but I didn't want to deal with that. So I found a new T-Con board online for 25 bucks plus like 45 bucks shipping, and it ended up costing me about 75 bucks. So I'm gonna throw that in, and then we'll see what we get. Oh, just so you know, let's just power this off for a second. When you're removing these, first of all, you got to take off the little metal heat sink on here. So you can unscrew that, and then there's 4 screws that hold this T-Con board on. And there's little flip down tabs here for these ribbon cables. You just flip those down, and then there's little tabs to pull them up and out. Just be really careful with them. And same with this one, you just got to pinch it and wiggle it down, and then you can just take the screws out. So I'll be back when I swap this out. Alright, I got the T-Con board back in, and I'm not going to put the cover on yet. Got it plugged back in. Let's see if this fixed it. Oh, I think we're good.
On the interrogation, sweat the truth out of them.
No, if they're already afraid of cops, it's only going to alienate them further. But there might be another way to do this.
Perfect. Looks great. All right, another TV saved from the dumpster.